Now, good morning, Amma. Welcome to our class. Next activity 3. How much is 7,005 greater than 5,849? First, you write down a greater number. Next, you write a smaller number, Amma. A greater number, how much, Amma? 7,005. Now, smaller number. Smaller number 5,849. Now you are doing subtraction. So now 5 minus 9. 5 is the small number, 9 is the big number. Is that possible? Subtraction? No. So you are taking borrowing thousands and hundreds, tens and ones. Yes? From tens. From tens. Okay. Now in tens, you are taking borrowing from. Here is 10. You are taking 10. So 10 plus 5. How much, Amma? 15. So 10 plus 5, 15. Now 15 minus 9. Here 0 is there. So 0 means you are taking from hundreds. 10. Again you are taking from 1000. So 7 నుంచి 1 తగ్గిపోతుంటే 1 is gone. So you get 6. So 10 to 100 is the 10. So again this 100 నుంచి again you are taking borrowing from 10. So this 0 is the 9. After borrowing, this 7 is the 6, this 0 is the 9, this 0 is the 9, this 5 is the 15. Now 15 minus 9, you are counting 15 minus 9, so you are removing 15 minus 9, or you are counting 9 after to 15, 9 after నుంచి count చేసి you are 15 వరకు count చేయాలి. So you get some numbers, so that is your answer. Count it. Second number is what? 9. So you are counting start from 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. You are getting how many fingers? 6 fingers. What is your answer, Amma? 6. That is writing a ones 6. Now same again. Here 9 is there. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. First you are taking 9 fingers. So you are removing how much, Amma? 4. 4 fingers you are removing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So still here how many fingers are there? 5 fingers. What is your answer? 5. Write in tens. 5. Now next 9 minus 8. Again you are taking 9 fingers. You are removing how much, Amma? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You get only 1. That is right in hundreds. Now next 6 minus 5. You are taking 6 fingers. Okay, you are taking 6 fingers. You are removing 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only still 1 is there. That is right in thousands 1. So how much greater? First number, Amma? 1156. Write it, Amma. Now one more. The next problem is what, Amma? The sum of the two numbers is 8324 if one of the number is 5896. What is the other number? So, two numbers sum is like this, Amma. One number is get. You find out second number. So, total nunchi oka number ni discrete. Subtraction chesam anukondi. You doing or you getting another number. So, the sum of two numbers how much am the sum of two numbers? 8324. Now one of the number is how much? 5896. Subtraction. So therefore the other number is now doing subtraction. 4 minus 6. 4 is the small number, 6 is the big number. So 4 nunchi 6 subtraction cheyalem. So you taking borrowing from hundreds. 2 nunchi borrowing. So 2 అనేది డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. 2 నుంచి 1 వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి 2 నుంచి 1 పోతే ఓన్లీ 1. సో 1 you taking how much borrowing? 10 borrowing. You are taking 10 borrowing. So this 10 plus 4 you get 14. 10 plus 4 14. Now 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 amma 14 fingers is there. And now so you are taking 6 after నుంచి కౌంట్ చేసుకోండి. 6 after నుంచి 14 వరకు కౌంట్ చేస్తే you get some fingers or numbers. Now 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. ఎక్కడ వరకు కౌంట్ చేసుకోవాలి? ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ వరకు. You are reaching from first number. You are reaching to first number. So in this way, how many fingers you get? 5 and 3. 8 fingers you get. So what is your answer, Amma? 8. So 14 minus 6, 8. 14 minus 6, 8. Now next here, 1 only 1 is there. 2 is there. 2 నుంచి 1 subtract అయిపోయింది. అంటే 1 is gone. 1 borrowing వెళ్ళిపోయింది. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ స్టిల్ 1 is there. So 1 minus 9 is possible. 1 నుంచి subtraction అవుతుందా 9? No, because 1 is the small number, 9 is the big number. Again you need borrowing from 3 or from hundreds. So again 3 నుంచి 1 borrowing వెళ్ళిపోతుందంటే 3 నుంచి ఒకటి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇంకెంత ఉంటాయి రిమైనింగ్? స్టిల్ హౌ మచ్ రిమైనింగ్? 2 రిమైనింగ్. సో హియర్ 2. Okay, how much am I here? 2. So how much you taking borrowing? 10. Again you taking how much am I borrowing? 10. Now you bring 10. So nu తీసుకొచ్చుకున్న 10 and ఇక్కడ 1 is there already. So 10 plus 1 11. 10 plus 1 11. Now 11 minus 9. So you are counting again 9 after 2 3. 9 after 2 11. 9 after నుంచి కౌంట్ చేసి 11 రీచ్ కావాలి. 9 after 10 and 11. So how much am I? 2. 11 minus 9 is the 2. Write in times 2. Again here 2 is there. Here 8 is there. So 2 నుంచి 8 subtraction అవుతుందా? No. Again you need borrowing from thousands. Here which number is there? 8. 8 నుంచి 1 subtract అయిపోతుంది. So how much still here is there? 7. So 8 minus 1 పోతుంది కాబట్టి 7. How much? 10 వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. So you bring 10. That 10 this plus 2. 10 plus 2 12. 10 plus 2 how much am I? 12. So 10 plus 2 12. Now 12 minus 8. 12 నుంచి 8 subtraction చేయాలి. Okay. Now 12 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 వరకు కౌంట్ చేయాలి. బికాస్ ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 12 కదా. సో 8 after 2, 8 after నుంచి 12 వరకు కౌంట్ చేస్తే యూ గెట్ ఏ 4. So what is your answer, Amma? 4. That write in a hundreds. Okay. Now still here, how much number is there? Only 7. Now 7 minus 5. Count it, Amma. 7 minus 5. So you are taking 7 fingers. 7 fingers. You are removing how much? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still 2 is there. What is your answer? 2. So the other number is what, Amma? 2428. Now please copy it. I will give some homework, Amma. I done homework problems. Same simple, Amma. You are doing subtraction these both problems. 5012 నుంచి 3768 ని subtract చేసేసేయండి. Now in the second one also this 8560 నుంచి you subtract from 2895. Both are subtraction problems. You will do that problems and post it. Okay. Thank you, Amma. The 2 homework problems are done, Amma.